Welcome back. In this video, I want to pinpoint a specific problem that we have that limits us from going further with our coffee example. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of our output that we had here where we had add num1 int, num2 int, and so forth. I'm going to get rid of that, and I want to get back to our ask coffee details. Okay, so our ask coffee details, currently what it just does is it asks for the coffee details and then it gives us the coffee. Now what I would like, however, is I would like to have a way where I get the details that people ask for in a coffee, and then I can pass that to make coffee in order to then actually process the coffee. Now the problem with outputs is that this output is limited to just one type. I can either output an int, or I can output a string, or I can output an array of strings or ints, or a list of mixed items and so forth, but that would go too far. So the way I want to do it in this case is I want to use an object, coffee details, that will be returned and then can be used in order to make coffee. And in order to make an object called coffee details, I need to have a class that defines how such coffee details have to look like. So what are the details that we want to have inside of a coffee or about a coffee in order for it to be created? Okay, in order for it to be, basically have all the details that it can be produced in a way that we like it. So in order to do that, we are going to look at classes in the next couple of lectures. Okay, we're going to see how we can create our own classes, how we can create objects out of those classes, what the init function is, and so forth. Okay, so with that out of the way, I would say see you in the next video.